Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, click on Bluetooth and select gray sweater next to it if it's not already on. Now just wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this little icon next to the device and tap on Disconnect. To forget it completely, click on the same icon, but this time choose Forget this device and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!